Welcome to the Banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by connecting your camera and enabling remote control in its menu so the laptop can change aperture. Once done, open your tethering app and confirm the camera appears. This allows live preview and aperture control. Make sure camera is in manual or aperture priority, otherwise the lens won't respect your selected F number. Also, set lens to autofocus or manual, as needed so depth of field adjustments behave predictably when you change the F number from the laptop. Next, find the F number control in the tethering software, often labeled aperture or f-stop, and change it while watching the live view. As you move from smaller to larger F numbers, observe depth of field and sharpness in the preview so you understand the visual impact. Because aperture affects exposure, make sure the software or camera adjusts shutter speed or ISO accordingly. If not, manually tweak exposure settings. This practice helps you learn how aperture balances with other settings to produce the image you want. Finally, lock in your chosen F number and save a preset so you can reproduce the look quickly. Take several test shots and inspect them on the laptop at full resolution. Check the histogram and focus peaking if available to confirm correct exposure and focus depth. If controls stop working, first replug the cable, then restart the tethering app and update drivers. If needed, reboot the camera. These steps resolve most connection and control issues, so you can continue shooting without delay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.